In this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your YouCut Video Editor app on Android smartphone. So if you are trying to open your app and it can't respond, or it is not opening, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can troubleshoot it. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now, the first thing you need to do is to look for the app information, and you can easily do this through settings. And then from settings, look for apps. And here's our apps. Tap on it to open. Then look for the option called Manage Apps. And this will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. Now scroll down until you get your app. And here is our YouCut Video Editor. Tap on it to open. So from this, we can now access app information, and this is where we can do the troubleshooting from. Alternatively, you can access this page using a shortcut. To use the shortcut method, just long press on the app, and then you'll see app information here. Tap on app info, and then this will again lead you to the same page. Now from here, we want to clear data for this app, and if we go to storage, you can see we have a lot of cache data. Now the accumulation of this data might be the reason why your app is malfunctioning. So to clear this cache data, just go ahead and tap on clear data, and then you'll see here clear cache. Tap on it, and then tap on OK. And as you can see now, we have zero cache. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone, and then open the app, and it should work fine. But should that not solve your problem, then go ahead and look for the app through the Play Store. So tap on your Play Store, and then look for your app. And as you can see, our app is here. Tap on it to open. Now from here, look for any update. It should be here. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version, and go ahead and look for the new version that is available. So once you see it here, you'll see it written update. Go ahead and update it, and then try opening your app, and it should work fine. But should that not solve your problem, then you might want to go ahead and uninstall your app, then install it afresh through Google Play Store. So if all this doesn't work, then you might need to go ahead and contact the app service provider and find out if they are experiencing or they have the problem from their end. By using any of these methods, you should be able to troubleshoot your app. If this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.